Hey, today we're moving some chicks, moving some sheep, looking at some tomatoes and some cutworms, and stay tuned to the end of the video. We got Friday bloopers. Okay, if you remember right, I planted this in, it was a mixture of winter rye and winter wheat. I actually let it get too big, but them sheep are tearing it up. And I thought about cutting it for hay, but it wouldn't be nothing but straw, so it wouldn't be any good anyway. So if they can eat it now, they're tearing it up. They really like it. Yeah, if you watch them eat, you can look right here. They don't eat the stalk part. They eat this part up here. They love this part right here. And they're tearing it up. And that must be the seed part of it. And I can't remember. I think like I said before, I mixed some winter wheat and some winter rye with it. So, but you can see on this ground right here. I mean, that looks just like straw what they get through. They won't hardly eat straw, but they'll eat that seed and the leaves on it. You can also see now these are hair sheep, and they're starting to shed, like right here. Over here's a big old clump. So they're getting rid of their winter coat, and they look. You can tell when they've been rubbing against the fence there because it's kind of bowed out. So hope we got it on there good enough. But anyway, thought we'll go to the high tunnel and look at tomatoes. So we're down here in the high tunnel number 2 where the tomatoes are, and we had some pretty good few days in a row, and all of a sudden it's got to be cutworms or something, but we've lost a total of 21 plants so far. And I did spray some stuff down, but we're going to have to do something else. I don't know exactly what to do. I tried the tillman method. Well, I've never had this here before, anywhere on our gardens. And I mean, we've had gardens here for 25 years. We never had, occasionally, you know, one come by and get 1 or 2, but this is devastating. Just in money wise and putting us behind on production, and it's just crazy. These right here are all Carolina Golds, and I forgot to tell the varieties that we're going to plant. But I had a whole row of Carolina Golds, and they got half of those. And over there I had some Cherokee Purples, and they got several of those. I got all my Celebrity. I had different ones in this row over there. Of course, I didn't get the big ones. Look at this plant. This is the good news. Look at this. This is some beautiful plants right here. And then we got the pretty good little tomato right here. It's getting big. Oh, we had another one. It's right there. Now let's go back and I'll tell you what varieties we got here. These first ones here, these biggest ones are early girls. And then we got 6 margolds. They're right here. Then the rest of this row here is Mountain Spring, which I really like a Mountain Spring. I haven't ever really raised a marigold before. I've tried and they didn't do good, but they look like they're doing good in the tunnel. So, and these right here are starting to take off. I mean, that's a beautiful plant. Oh, it's got one on it. So over here I got some, I think these are lemon boys. Yeah. I think I had 12 lemon boys, and that's something new that we haven't, that's a new variety. I wanted to kind of complement the Carolina Golds, and so I had 12 of those, and I got some of those, and I can't remember what this is. Oh, we got some mortgage lifters. Yeah, that's the non-indeterminate. So we're only growing 2 types of indeterminate, the Cherokee Purple and the mortgage lifter. When I just like the mortgage lifter. That's one of my favorite heirlooms, so that's why I'm growing it. Cherokee Purple's good too. Then they sell really well. But I had a bunch of celebrities up there and they got every one of those. So anyway, we're going to try something new. I guess I'll go and do a little research this evening and see what's best to do. So let's go here. I want to show you the hay when we were running chickens through there all last winter. Let's look at it real quick, and then we'll go to the bloopers. I also got some cucumbers started here. I've got 2 72s and a 50. And they look a little dry right now, but I'm gonna water them here in a minute. So, and these Camaros, they're looking really good. I bought some more celebrities and they need some water. But anyway, I'm getting some real leaves on these Camaros, so it won't be long. And then my red deuce, I don't know why, they come up, but they ain't done nothing. Everything looks dry. It's been hot in here today, so. Okay, I'm out in the field where we run the chickens in all last winter, and it really looks good. We'll be cutting hay in a couple weeks at least, maybe even before that. So it's probably about, I don't want to ride out in it because it makes tracks and cramps it down, but it's probably this high right now, a good 2.5, 3 feet. So another week maybe, you know, depends on the weather. We're supposed to get a lot of rain the next day or two, so you know, I'll be cutting that hay and I'll film it. So I'm really happy with that. So I've gotten all my chickens and all my sheep over in this area. I'm gonna work this area pretty hard during the summer. Hopefully I get 2 cuttings out of this, and then I'll bring them back over here for the winter. So that's our plan. Just want to keep y'all updated on that. We're really happy, and I think it's gonna work out. And I haven't put not 1 ounce of fertilizer on this. It's all been natural. And we'll look, when we cut the hay, it'll really show up whether it's worth the money or worth the time. It didn't really cost us any money, just worth the time or not. Hey, hit that subscribe button. We appreciate everybody that subscribes. Just take your mouse over and click it. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and you can help us do that, and we appreciate it. Hey, support your local farmer. We appreciate you watching. Appreciate all our new subscribers, and we'll see you down here on the farm in the next video. There's 3 mistakes you need to avoid when you're planting your peppers. 1, after you plant them, don't overwater them. You need to consistently water them. Number 2, don't give them too much nitrogen. Go like a organic, like a 3-6-6. And 4, hey, you want to increase the production of your tomato plants? Give them a little of this white magic here. Boom.
Sorry.